Hi, welcome to the email challenge. My name is Sabrina, and this challenge will last for 5 days. And the aim is to help you be confident writing emails in English and to know exactly what to write. So, over the course of 5 days, you will do activities with the result that you should know the essential expressions to put into emails, formal and informal. You should be able to avoid the most common mistakes that people make when they're writing emails. You should be aware of cultural differences and things that you need to be careful about when you're writing to someone from another country. And you will have your personal cheat sheet that you can refer to when you're writing emails in English. Okay? So over the 5 days, this is what you will have to do. You will have 1 or 2 tasks every day that should take a maximum of 30 minutes per day for 5 days. Day 1, you will have a look at the essential expressions that everybody should know for writing emails in English. You will take the ones that are most relevant to you and put them in one cheat sheet for you to learn and to keep in a safe place to use in the future. Day 2, you will have a look at the difference between formal and informal emails. And you will also look at avoiding cultural mistakes with people from other countries. Okay. Day 3, you will have a look at general common mistakes that you should avoid with grammar, with what you're saying, things like that. Day 4, you will write an actual email to be corrected by me. And finally, on the last day, you will check what you have learned. So if that sounds interesting, have a look and do the challenge for 5 days and know how to write emails after a week.